Welcome, grill enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of Grill Rescue, the ultimate grill cleaning solution. Let's unbox this game changer together. As we open the box, we're greeted by the Grill Rescue Brush, designed to make grill cleaning safe, efficient, and effortless. This material isn't just tough, it's the same technology used in firefighter gear. Let's see what makes it stand out. Notice the military-grade aramid fiber head, known for its heat resistance and durability. The handle is made from a heat-resistant and extremely durable cooking-grade material that can handle intense heat with ease. Setting up is a breeze. Just attach the cleaning head like so, until you hear a click, ensuring your brush is properly attached. And just like that, you're ready to tackle even the grimiest grill with confidence. Ready to transform your grilling experience? Stay tuned for our next video where we put Grill Rescue to the test. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grilling tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us today. Happy grilling, and see you in the next video.